there, my name is THIERRY Titan. I'm here in Madagascar. I live here in Tamatave. Since 2020, I met Wes online, and I mean that I connect with him. And on the time that I was really frustrated about my life, and I really disappointed in my life because at the time the coronavirus happened here, and my job doesn't work well on that time, and I cannot survive in the right way as everybody living. And I following Wes, and I listen carefully about what he's saying about meditation, and I moralized him on that time. And while I moralized him, that I feel like there is some gotta change for me, and there is like feeling good inside of my heart first and inside of my mind. And that's the reason why I made up my mind to follow him and to listen exactly what he explaining in the law of attraction, exactly in the meditation. And I learned deeply about that, and from Wes I understood that I can make money easily and effortlessly. It's really fascinating. Make money working as you wanna work, living your dream. And all the time that as what I've said, that I made up my mind. I made up my mind to learn more, and I made up my mind to chasing the best version of my life, because I really love self-development, helping people, and to live the better life and to make this world a better place. And now, thank you, Wes. I'm always be grateful for you, because without you on this planet Earth, I don't know why happened. But you listen to me, and Wesley, you are so, I don't know how to say about you. You are so powerful. You're blessed, man.